In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Bluehost website. Backing up your site is an essential practice for ensuring that all of your hard work and data are securely stored and can be restored in case something goes wrong. Whether you're updating your website, changing themes, or just want peace of mind, having a backup will always give you that extra layer of security. So let's walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to access the Backup Wizard, which is a straightforward tool available within your Bluehost account. First, log in to your Bluehost account manager. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to the Hosting tab. You'll find this at the top of the interface. Under Quick Links, you're going to click on cPanel. Now that you're in cPanel, you'll see a section labeled Files. That's where the magic happens. Click on Backup Wizard, and you're ready to move on to creating your backup. Now that you have the Backup Wizard open, you'll see the option to create either a full or partial backup of your website. To proceed, go ahead and click on Backup. At this point, you need to decide whether you want a full backup or a partial one. If you're opting for a full backup, this will download the entire website as a .tar.gz file. This option is comprehensive and a safe bet if you want everything backed up in one fell swoop. However, if you're interested in specific components, a partial backup might be what you need. A partial backup allows you to download individual sections of your website. For example, you can choose to back up just the home directory, which includes your website files. Or, if you need to secure your MySQL databases, there's an option for that as well. Finally, if you rely heavily on email communications, you can back up your email forwarders or filters separately. Remember, while full backups save the entire site, partial backups give you the flexibility to selectively download areas as needed. This is particularly helpful if you're looking to save storage space or if you have regular backups of certain components already managed elsewhere. Whichever option you choose, ensure that you save your backups securely. Consider an external hard drive or a reputable cloud storage service. Regular backups are an important routine to incorporate, helping safeguard your website from any unexpected issues. This way, you'll always have the reassurance that you can restore your website's critical components whenever you need, keeping your online presence as robust and resilient as possible. That's all there is to it. Backing up your Bluehost website is an easy yet crucial task. Be sure to make it a regular habit, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing your site is protected. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.